playing right now. I'll put it in the title, but playing aircraft carrier, and honestly, I didn't really have a plan for this. I'm just gonna play. You know what? No, I'm gonna go to island so I can show you guys all the vehicles, or not all of them. I don't have all of them. You gotta wait 11 hours. Jeez. Island. As you can see, I pretty much have the entire thing, every single aircraft, except for Game Pass and the B2. Oh, this game. Oh, this video is gonna be very, very bad. Let's spawn this in. So T, close the canopy. H is that. Oh, engine was already on. That's interesting. That usually never happens. G, bring up the gear. I can't really see some of. Oh, okay. FPS is already dropping. So in order to fly, I'm gonna have to keep an eye on my altitude, which is on the right side. And the speed. Okay, I'm engaging combat mode. I'm taking out these people. They have no right to live. Change targets. What the heck? Hey, just. Oh, someone locked. Who's logging onto me? Missile fired. Hit the target. Hit the target. And he hit the water. Su-47 is dead. Oh, it's not Su-47. That's not in the game yet. So, this game is very high, FPS. Oh. Okay, X is that. Hit him. Nah. How am I alive? I'm hitting 16 Gs. That is illegal. Oh. Hey. Wait, huh? Jeez, I didn't know the aim 120 is that good. Let's show the reason why you should no, don't disengage it. Don't disengage it. Why are you disengaging? Yeah, that's not gonna do anything. You're standing still, theoretically. And unlocking. Okay, I've kind of killed this. Which one was it? Z? No, it was V. It's V. It's V. Ejection, and then I'm just gonna I'm gonna cut that out because that's probably not YouTube appropriate. Although I'm not even talking about that. I'm also cut that out. Let's bring up the F-15E. Pretty good aircraft. You can edit custom. You can edit the armament. I forgot the word for it. T A A A. Little did little bro know, I do not have combat mode on. It's the only way you can actually damage people is combat mode's on. I don't like using the runway, it takes too long. Look at that animation though, bro. That is so good. By the way, you can play this on mobile. It's just a lot harder. Fire. Missile lock. Oh, no! Okay. Okay, I got him. I'm going to the next aircraft. I got him. Ooh, a hard one's gonna be... Oh. Dang it. Okay, I've gone to like 20 kills before I can do this. I'm really gonna jack up kills when I... No, I'm gonna cut that out too. Okay, let's go to this one. Ooh. Oh, everyone is doomed. Everyone is doomed. I mean, this is a decent aircraft. I say the Su-33 is a lot better. I mean, it carries it's like carries the most amount of missiles in the game. I'm pretty sure. The only thing is, kind of like the Su-57. If you hold down, hold down Shift for too long, the afterburner is just gonna fry you up. Fry up your fuel like there's no tomorrow. But look at that maneuverability. It's very maneuverable. Is it gonna pull it? No way. Oh, it doesn't pull it. Okay. Okay, ran out of those missiles. Hey, he took them out before I could. Can I lock onto Cool Dude? Thank you. Oh, missile! 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 Okay, and then this is what you do. You... Oh! Okay, we can go to the next aircraft. And there's even sounds. It's really cool. It's really cool. This aircraft carrier is like one of the best games. For air combat, it has quite a bit of aircraft, not a lot. It doesn't have any French aircraft. It only has American and Russian. This one I'm gonna cook. Su-33, maneuverable, carries a lot of missiles. 10, in fact. It is really good. Thing is, you would chew up the fuel on Afterburner very much. It chews through the... If you look in the very, very right corner, you can see that big dark bar that says fuel. If you didn't know, that's my fuel. And look how quickly it burns through when I'm holding Afterburner. It's chewing through that thing like no tomorrow. I've played this aircraft before, holding down Afterburner. I lasted like a minute or two. I should be able to hit it. And no, that's gonna miss horribly. Or not. Haha. No, I just gotta hope he doesn't... Oh, that's a miss. Aircraft destroyed. That's a miss, but who cares? He's dead. I'm gonna cut that out. Ooh. Target miss. Someone keeps trying to lock me. Ooh, target destroyed. Yeah, see, this plane cooks. Oh, do not fly the F-15. That thing is horrible. Can I lock him? The R-27, bro, is really good. Look how quickly I can catch up onto him. And my nose just flips around, and he is folding. Okay, he's launched flares. Ha. Say bye-bye. The only thing is, if you miss a missile, it is over. Yeah, I have one more missile. Oh, look how good I'm cooking, bro. 9 kills out of everything. That target's down. Oh, you want to go, bro? Oh, shoot. He's maneuverable. Oh, I'm dropping altitude now. What? Y'all saw that. Y'all saw that. Okay, I guess I got enough kills in this thing. I died. I think that's allowed. Okay, let me show you the next aircraft. After the Su-33 is the F-4 Phantom. Oh, some of these aren't. Oh, those are bombs. You know, I'll put in the bombs just so you guys can see the entire thing. I say the F-4 Phantom's not the best. It's a 2-seater, which is cool. Oh, Y is engine. Remember to always press Y before anything. It's okay, I guess. It definitely could be better. Oh, wow. I can already angle upwards. And up we go. Okay. I mean, it's okay. Roll is horrible, though. Like, really bad. And pitches, too. And only having 4 missiles, which is the AIM-9. I mean, it's not bad. What is it doing? And it doesn't have a gun either, I just remembered that. What, was he just, like, not... Can I lock? Hello? Number 2? You can, Oh, yeah, and also the locking distance is horrible. And then the AIM-9 is also, like, pretty bad. Actually, I take that back. I take it back immediately. That thing sucks. I don't feel any more maneuverable, and I don't think we're going to get a kill in this thing, nor in the Sea Harrier. Like, its locking distance is so bad, and don't even try avoiding a missile. Just use flares. Unlike in other aircraft where you can, like, outrun a missile, or, like, just dodge one, and I forgot to lock on him. I'm going after Boy here, Ed Boy. And that's all. Hit. And yeah. Oh, okay, we got a kill. We can go on to the next aircraft. So it is possible to get a kill in the F-4, but I mean, compared to all the modern fighters you're going to be going up against, it is really, really hard. Because, like, everyone else is so maneuverable. And then here's the F-35C Lightning 2. The C is the non-VTOL one, for y'all's information. It's the B version, I'm pretty sure. Only carrying 4 missiles, I mean, it's okay. Press H to drop down the wings. This is more fuel efficient, I say, but, like, again, and also, by the way, the stealth it's kind of pointless, because stealth in real life is not to be locked. If you guys don't know that, stealth is so you do not be detected when going over enemy territory. How a missile works is it seizes the heat signature off the engine, and that's what it locks onto. So stealth or not, you're going to be locked on. 40 flares and AIM-9, AIM-120. Can I lock onto? Ooh! See, you can dodge a missile. It's really cool. I'm surprised it didn't give me the signature, though. Usually it would do, like, a big red box. And put, like, F or something on it. No, M. It would be M. See, the F-35 is maneuverable-ish, but not too maneuverable. As you see, the F-18 is clearly outperforming me. Only reason why he hasn't launched another missile is that I'm keeping up with him. See, missile. And then you can do this. You can just spam missiles everywhere, and it'll lock onto targets naturally. I mean, I got a kill. Obviously, that I got a long range kill earlier before I died. But yeah, you have to have quick reaction time. I mean, the F-35 is really good because the I was pressing F. It's really good because you can just immediately press F to switch between flares and missiles. So this C2 Greyhound is a game pass. I do not have it. It's not anything for fighting. This also no weaponry. It's kind of pointless. And then here's the Sea Harrier. I'm gonna be posting a video on Plane Crazy on how to build something like this. But yeah, it only has 2 missiles, which is horrible. It's maneuverability horrible. Its roll is horrible. Overall, really bad. But hey, which button was it? And that was not the button. My bad. That was not the button whatsoever. Let me spawn that back in. You can actually VTOL in this thing, which is really cool. It is really hard to do. Okay, what's VTOL? Oh. N. And then what's increase? Thrust vector. Oh. N and B. N and B is, N and B is thrust. So let me move us forward here, and then watch. And we're off the ground. I have never really done this properly, so I don't know what the actual general height you need to. As you see it, we're already going down. Altitude, pull up, altitude, pull up. So yeah, it's kind of hard to pull off. I say get to an altitude of maybe. What do you mean missile lock? What missile? Oh, someone's just locking onto me. I'm gonna climb to an altitude of 200, and then I'm gonna nose down a bit and just face my and then decrease. Thank you. That was really loud. Yeah, so I'm gonna climb to an altitude of 200 feet. Then I'm can this thing climb? Please. Oh no, that's dropping altitude. Climb. Oh, I'm running out of fuel. You know what? Sweet. Okay, we can. Okay, we're gonna engage in combat now. We're going 500 and climbing. This thing has no flares for you guys' information. We have an Aiden cannon and two AIM 120s. Yeah, and it's horrible. Oh, its roll is very bad. It's the worst in the game, I'm pretty sure. No, bad F-18. And it's not the F-18. It's not the FA-18. Oh, that's an Missile better not have been launched. Oh yeah, of course you turn off. I hate it because in this game there's people love to like get into fights and then amidst the fight when they're about to get hit, they immediately disengage. Oh, and then yeah, and they immediately disengage their combat mode, meaning that the missile, even if it hits, it won't do anything. And I missed completely. Oh! Doesn't matter. Wait, if I engage this, will I climb? Wait, if I can stable it out. Oh no, I can't. I faced the engines downwards, so my decline is very little. Which is actually kind of cool. Yeah, so this is not worth buying whatsoever. I mean, if you want a VTOL aircraft and you don't want to enter combat, it's really nice. Really cool. Oh my god, the FPS on this video is gonna be so bad. I don't have the B2 yet. I'm saving to 20,000, which in this game is really a lot. I've seen someone have this. It's actually pretty cool. I don't think there's any weapons you can put onto it, but you know. Here's the F-16 Fighting Falcon. I say that AIM-120 is like the best in this game. That's a drop tank. What's the point of having that then? You can carry 6 missiles, 2 drop tanks, and nothing. Yes, literally nothing. I've never flown this thing before, as you clearly tell. Oh, that is cool. Okay, so this one has a, oh, that's, you see that number climbing right there? That's knots. Okay. Oh, and then that one in the middle, that's altitude, and then, I don't know what that other one is. I think that one just constantly says 100%. It's really cool, looking at it. Sadly, they just... Oh, no, you can see the gun in there. Yeah, you can just barely see it. That is really realistic. Okay, I'm turning on combat mode, and I'm going... Wow, that is loud. I'm lowering the volume. Yeah, so it carries 6 missiles, 40 flares, the M61A1 Vulcan. Hey. Okay, it wasn't targeting me. Very small window, though. You know, the F-22 isn't the best in this game, you know that? It's, like, I say, a waste of money. Like, literally. It's not Robux, but it's just not the best. I mean, it's pretty maneuverable, like, really maneuverable. It used to be my main fighter, but once I bought the Su-33, it definitely was better. A lot more worth it. Whoa, oh, okay. I mean, I guess that's fair. Nah, it launched at him. Okay, I mean, I think there's like one more fighter or so. This game has, I don't know when the last update was. I'm gonna have to check that for y'all. But otherwise, I think that's it. the F-14 and the F-22. Oh, and then the T-45 Goshawk. Goshawk. It's not even a fighter. It's literally just a trainer. Okay, the F-14. It's really good. I mean, the missiles aren't the best, but like it's really good. This was my main fighter. And of course, this game had to do that to me. There's a carrier in this game. I'll land on it with this aircraft. There are a couple other aircraft that can land on the carrier. The F-35C Lightning II is one of them. The F-14, this one, is one of them. It has automatic wing folding, which is really cool. Look, I'm flying next to my grandson. Oh my god, the FPS dropped. Oh my god, it's gonna be so choppy. FPS dropped, guys, I'm sorry. I can barely see too. It's like freezing up for me. As you can tell, for a roll, it's actually mainly these. There's just small flaps that pop up, which is really cool. I'm gonna go into combat. You can actually engage these to whatever. I think it's H. Yeah, it's H. AIM-54s and AIM-9s is what this thing is armed with. I say the AIM-54 is a lot better than the AIM-9. And we're being locked. We're being locked. Okay, lock. Oh my god, it's chopping. It's chopping. It's chopping. Oh, I can't see. I can't see. Guys, I can't see. Okay. Oh, it's chopping up again. Oh. Oh. That was an AIM-9. Yeah, this thing is chopping up. I'm sorry, guys. This last bit is going to be very bad. Okay, it's smoothed out for me. Okay, can I open up my wings? I need that extra maneuverability. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna kill with this thing, so I'm gonna disengage it, and I'm just gonna... Yeah, you can see the carrier. Okay, I'm super sorry, because the, FPS in this game is really bad right now for me, too. Okay, I'm dropping to 38. There's no reverse thrust. J, you can, like, it slows you down because it's supposed to be, air brake. I only know of one aircraft where you can actually see the air brake. This is not one of them. As you can see, my wings are starting to open. That means I'm slowing down to a lot, in which engage X, G for gear. Oh, this is a horrible attack angle. Angle of attack. Oof, I'm gonna miss the cable. I'm gonna miss the cable. Or not. I hit the cable because I'm him. See? And now we're on the carrier. It'll rearm me. It'll rearm you here on the Admiral Kuztvok or something, and on the main island. And then I'm gonna show you the F-22, and then I'll end the video. Actually, no, I'll show you Admiral Kuztvok. Oh, Kuznetsov, whatever. Here's F-22 holding 6 missiles. I think they're like, I don't remember what they are. the other kids are chucking rocks at me. Gotta hit them with missiles before I get hit by one too. Actually, I'll have to cut that out. See, it's a nice aircraft. Pretty maneuverable. I say roll is kind of bad. No, it is really good. Okay, I'm engaged combat, and that's a person in the water. If you look to the very right, you can see the fuel's dropping down a lot again. Oh yeah, this one also has the M61A1 Vulcan. Where's it stored? You can give it to be there, wouldn't it? I mean, it's a stealth aircraft. And I pressed V. I mean, yeah, that's kind of it. That's kind of it. I'm gonna end the video. Honestly, I don't think you guys would have enjoyed me just playing aircraft and taking people out. Recommendation, I'd say play the Su-33. It's pretty much the best aircraft in the game in my opinion. Maneuverable, fast, carries like the most amount of missiles, I think. Just really good. Yeah, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed.